Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can see which photos are backed up in Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my phone. So right now we're gonna search for Google Photos. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here in the home page. So basically guys, if you go here to the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. So right here, you're gonna find photos, memories, library, and search. Here in the photos section, you're gonna find all of your backed up photos in Google Photos. If you don't find any photos right here, just go ahead and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So once here, you're gonna find firstly your account that you're currently using. Here you're gonna find backup, account storage, the option to free up some space. Here you're going to find your data in Google Photos, photo settings, and lastly, help and feedback. So right now, I'm going to click on photo settings. Once you do that, you're going to be here in your settings. So right here, you're going to find backup, notifications, preferences, sharing, apps and devices, and right here, you're going to find privacy. So right now, in order to sync or backup photos in Google Photos, go ahead and click on backup. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find the backup option, backup photos and videos from this device to your Google account. So if this option is on, that means that you're backing up your photos. If you find it off, make sure to turn it on, and then you're going to be able to back up photos on Google Photos. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.